Good afternoon, futures traders. Today is Tuesday, August 13th. The time is 4 o'clock. So here is a video that I did for the cash close today using Praedox Oracle. It was over a 30-minute video, so I sped it up. I wanted to show a couple of the new features we added. So one of the things we added was a technical analysis, which takes all of the screenshots that you're seeing right now and does purely a top-down analysis, starting with the daily, the hourly, the 15, the 5, and the 1 minute. And that's all it does. It does the pure technical analysis. It doesn't look at any of the earnings. It doesn't look at sentiment. It doesn't look at VIX. It doesn't look at anything else. All it does is it looks at the screenshots that it gets passed from Oracle and does a true top-down technical analysis. So that's the TA mode that you're seeing that I'm running here. So it was kind of a choppy day up and down as far as this video is concerned. You see we started at 128 bucks and then we did end the day in positive territory. At one point you'll see that we were down, just didn't trade properly and didn't follow the appropriate structure. So you'll see the difference between the technical analysis. There's a button in the lower right-hand corner that has TA on it, and I show you the difference between the research that it does for you. So enjoy the video. I did shrink it as fast as I can, and like I said, I went from 30 minutes to cutting it in half. So enjoy the video. If you have any questions, you can always leave a comment, and I'll be happy to respond regarding this. It is still in alpha mode. We are in alpha testing. We have been really working on fine-tuning the different prompts. There are two prompts, the one that does the full market analysis, which is all about the structure and the news and all that. You can see here I made a couple mistakes where I was trying to pay attention to reading the brief, and I missed out on a pretty good trade. The auto trail is still being conceptualized, so a lot of this is still manual in nature, but you'll get a feel for how it works. You'll see we did get into a drawdown, and then we got into a trade that was about 15 minutes long. Okay, it's going to happen. It's trading. We're trading at the end of the day. Not a lot of wasn't a lot of momentum. Not a lot of follow through. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, please feel free to ask any questions. I will be happy to respond. You could join our Discord. We do have an alpha testing channel dedicated to the Oracle. And you can also see some of the other tools that we have in our suite. So this is the third component of the Praedox trading suite that we have planned. We do have Praedox Sentinel, which is our premier trading platform. We have Bolt, which is the price action automated strategy. And now we're working on Oracle, which will be the true AI strategy. So with that said, have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you tomorrow.